Kevin had been saving up for months. He worked part-time at a coffee shop, did a little freelance graphic design on the side, and finally, after weeks of putting away every spare dollar, he was ready to buy what he considered the ultimate investment in his gamer life, a brand new gaming chair. Every streamer he watched online seemed to have one sleek, high-backed, leather-looking thrones with adjustable armrests, lumbar pillows, and LED lights that glowed in the dark. Kevin imagined himself sinking into comfort while playing late-night sessions of his favorite online shooters. No more back pain, no more stiff necks, just pure ergonomic bliss. Scrolling through an online marketplace one night, he spotted what seemed like the deal of the century. Premium Gaming Chair 2, 80% OFF limited stock. The pictures looked exactly like the ones influencers flaunted on Twitch. The ad promised quick shipping, high quality, and an unbeatable price. Kevin's heart raced. He clicked buy now without hesitation. For a week, he waited with growing anticipation. Every day after work, he checked the tracking number. He even cleared out a space in his small bedroom where the majestic chair would sit, placing the squeaky old wooden seat he'd been using for years. Finally, the package arrived. The box was surprisingly light, but Kevin told himself maybe it was just efficient packaging. Excited, he tore open the tape, expecting pieces of a luxurious chair to assemble. Instead, inside the box sat a tiny, flimsy, bright blue plastic stool, the kind you'd see at a cheap roadside food stall. For stubby legs, a square seat, and nothing more. Kevin stared at it in disbelief. He pulled out the folded invoice. Yes, it clearly said Premium Gaming Chair. He checked the website again, and the flashy photos of professional chairs mocked him. But in his room sat nothing more than the cheapest plastic stool imaginable. He laughed at first, a hollow, shocked laugh. Then came frustration. He had spent nearly all his savings on this. How am I supposed to game on this? He yelled, holding up the stool as if demanding an answer. Still, curiosity got the better of him. He set the stool in front of his desk, lowered himself onto it, and booted up his PC. The stool wobbled, within minutes. His back screamed louder than his in-game teammates. It was impossible. Couldn't lean back, couldn't rest his arms, couldn't even move without fear of tipping over. Kevin decided to contact the seller immediately. But the customer service email bounced back as invalid. The store page had vanished overnight. He had been scammed. Word of his ordeal spread quickly when he posted about it on social media. His photo captioned expectation versus reality. Gaming throne versus plastic stool went viral. Thousands of people laughed, commenting things like, "At least it's portable," and "Bro unlocked the minimalist DLC." At first, Kevin was embarrassed. But as the comments poured in, he started leaning into the joke. He began streaming from the plastic stool, introducing himself with a dramatic tone. "Welcome back to the plastic throne, where kings suffer for content." Surprisingly, viewers loved it. The absurdity of a dedicated gamer using a cheap stool became his signature. Memes spread across gaming forums, screenshots of Kevin mid-game, perched on the stool like a warrior refusing to give up. Sponsors even reached out, offering to send him real gaming chairs for free. But Kevin politely declined, saying, "No thanks. This stool built my empire. I'm sticking with it." What began as a scam turned into an opportunity. Kevin turned his frustration into humor, and humor into a community. The little plastic stool that once felt like a cruel joke became a symbol of resilience and creativity. In the end, he did get his gaming chair, just not in the way he expected. Instead of cushioned armrests and neon lights, his chair was a $5 piece of plastic. Yet it carried him further than any premium brand could have promised. And whenever new fans asked why he still used it, Kevin would smile and say, "Because legends don't sit, they endure."